What is Easy Meal Kit? We provide customized ingredient kits for urban citizens who do regular workout. The kit will help them to spend minimum time and efforts on cooking their post-workout meals. Statistics show that sports population in Taiwan has hit record high. It reached nearly 85% in 2017. Our team had done an eating habit survey which targeted those who do workout. We collected 1,300 questionnaires in total and discovered that 75% of the respondents care whether their daily meals meet all nutritional needs, and 53% of the respondents would like to prepare their own meals rather than eating out. There are three main reasons why they would like to prepare their own meals even though eating out in Taiwan is so convenient. First, food options in restaurant and convenience stores contain large amount of fat, salt, sugar, and artificial ingredients. It means a lot of calories but with few nutrients. Second, people not only can tailor their own meals to meet the nutritional needs, but also avoid consuming too many food additives. Third, it's always cheaper to make their own meals. But they face many troubles such as difficult to control the food amount, which leads to food waste. And many people are terrible at cooking, and meal preparation takes so much time. We are here to solve the problems they face. For those urban workout people who have limited time to cook and want to maintain a healthy diet, Easy Meal Kit is going to be their savior. We allow customers to create a customized meal plan via our website or app. Each dish option has a clear and understandable breakdown of calories, macro levels, and etc. We select trustworthy suppliers to do the cleaning, cutting, and seasoning beforehand. All they have to do is to open the ingredients packs and follow the simple cooking instructions. We'd like to work with chef YouTubers to offer meal preparation online tutorials. The videos will demonstrate our various meal options and allow the viewers to make orders immediately while watching the tutorials. Isn't it? Easy Meal Kit is not only a solution for a healthy diet, but also an online platform for our customers and people like workout to share their experiences. Easy Meal Kit saves your time, serve your tasty, healthy food, and create a community for you. Join us and enjoy Easy Meal Kit. Lastly, let me introduce our team members. We have Yao Chen, Eddie Yuan, and Lulu Gao. Thank you for watching.